2 trailers today. One I got from Torrance. It's right here. Sweet. And this other one, me and Torrance ordered. So, yeah. And I'm going to share the details. So, let's go. So, we got the sweet engine right here. And then we got like this sweet chain in the back. And we got like... Oh, wait. This is a... Wait. If I remember, it's a Peterbilt. It's a Peterbilt, I meant to say. And it has like this... It has this step deck. And it has like this license plate. I'm pretty sure that's this. Yeah. There's a license plate right about there. And then, yeah. I don't know what else to share about it.
Show me the other one.
And now we're going to share the other one. This one.
It's a green trailer. Wilson.
It's a green trailer with this like dike on it. And it has this thing right here can open. So let's see if I can get it. So like right here can open. But it's hard. So I'm not going to open it right now because I don't want to break it. These things are fragile. And then we got this cat, and the engine's a cat, not really a cat, but it's a cat right here. I mean a Peterbilt. And the semi's a Peterbilt, and the engine's a cat. And then we got like the sweet inside. The wheels can turn, this one too. And then... Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a tarp on the back. Let's see. There we go. This is a tarp. And the back side there's part of the tarp. These things right here hold it like this. See? There you go. And yeah. So make sure you leave a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!